Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your email on Amazon. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open your preferred web browser and go to Amazon website. Once you're in the website, make sure you're logged into your account and click on the profile icon at the top right corner. Now scroll all the way down and click on See All Account to see all the settings. Now if you scroll a bit and you can see Login and Security, click on it. From here, you can see Edit button beside email. Click on Edit. Now you can enter your new email address and click on Continue. And that's how you can change your email address on Amazon. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.